if somebody hits you from behind and you get an injury, like a back injury, and you go to the doctor and stuff, and the timing was really bad because if a person, my brother died the next morning, and it made a very hard situation for me. And I was wondering, can you sue for pain and suffering?
And were you in the accident, Brenda? Your brother died, and were you in the same accident?
Yes, I was in the accident.
Yeah.
And he hit me from behind, but he hit me twice, and it was a hit and run.
Oh, so you don't have any identification, or they never found the person that hit you?
Yeah, I called 911 right away, and luckily he was so drunk that the police came, and it was 3 police that came, and 2 of them took off after him.
Yeah. Well, Brenda, I really appreciate your call. I'm so sorry for your loss, first of all, losing your brother. That's something no insurance claim can ever bring back. So we're so sorry for your loss and sorry for your pain and suffering. And boy, a drunk driver hitting you from behind sounds like a job for a good attorney.
Yeah, as Mike said, I hate to hear that. I wasn't sure from this factual scenario if your brother was in the car with you or not. Your question was, can you claim pain and suffering when you're involved in a wreck for yourself? The answer to that is yes. You can claim your physical injuries, any pain and suffering that you have endured. That includes the legal terms of mental anguish or emotional distress. If you're in a scenario with someone else is in the vehicle with you, which may be the situation here, I'm not sure, and they're injured and then they die a day later, obviously you yourself are going to experience some mental anguish or emotional distress dealing with that, and it was caused by the wreck. That's the important thing in claiming pain and suffering or any other damages. You have to be able to tie it back to this auto collision in order to collect. If, let's just say, your brother passed away and that had nothing at all to do with the wreck, it's just another event in life, you won't be able to claim that because it wasn't caused by the wreck. But regardless, sorry to hear about the passing of your brother.
I gathered that she was in the car with her brother, if I heard her correctly. And let me make this clear too, Brenda, if you're still watching, at the end of the program, we'll give Blake's phone number, and you're always happy to talk to people about their case and find out if there's a case to be sought.
Exactly. I mean, Mike makes a great point. Whether you have a case or not, you feel free to give us a call, give any attorney a call that handles these type cases just to see if you have a case, especially this type scenario where you were hit by a drunk driver, to make sure that your rights are taken care of.